Most retail traders trade the wrong session. Look at this, 80% of daily Forex movement happens in a 2-hour window, and most retail traders are asleep through it. Today I'm showing you exactly how to trade the 3 a.m. London kill zone with the rules, the entries, and a real backtest. Here's the problem. By the time New York opens at 8 a.m. Eastern, the day's range is already set. London moves 80 to 120 pips before you've even finished your coffee. The fix is simple. Trade the 2-hour window between 3 and 5 a.m. Eastern. That's when institutional flow hits the market, the Asian range breaks, and the daily trend is born for real. Step 1. Before London opens, you need to know the battleground. Mark the Asian session range. That's the high and the low from 7 p.m. to 3 a.m. Eastern Time. Asia consolidates. Narrow range, low volume, sleepy price action. We don't trade Asia. We trade what happens when London breaks the range that Asia just built overnight. So draw 2 clean lines on your chart, top and bottom of the Asian range, and wait for the open. Step 2. At 3 a.m. Eastern, London opens. We wait for a 15-minute candle to close outside the Asian range. Closes above the high, we're looking long. Closes below the low, we're looking short. If no candle closes outside the range, there is no trade that day. No close, no trade. Patience kills more retail accounts than impatience ever did. Step 3, and this is the single rule that makes or breaks the entire strategy. Do not chase the breakout, you wait for the retest. Price almost always comes back to test the level it just broke. Enter on that retest with a confirmation candle. Bullish engulfing for longs, bearish pin bar for shorts. This one rule alone cuts false breakouts by 60% in our backtest. If you skip the retest, you are guessing and you will lose. Step 4. Stop loss goes just beyond the opposite end of the Asian range. Not arbitrary, structural. Take profit at a minimum of 1 to 2 risk reward. That means risk 30 pips to make 60. Anything tighter than 1.2 is not worth taking. The math has to work. If the trade cannot hit a 2-hour target before structure breaks, skip it entirely. Quick note before the live examples. The kill zone moves fast, so you need an account safety layer running. I use Trade Guardian on MT5. It auto closes your trades and locks the account the moment you hit your daily loss limit. One bad session can't blow you up. Link in the description. Now back to the setup. Real example from last Tuesday on GBP USD. The Asian session consolidated between 1.2710 and 1.2735, a clean 25 pip range. At 3:15 a.m. Eastern, London hit and price broke above 1.2735. We did absolutely nothing. We waited. By 3:45 a.m., price retested the 1.2735 level, formed a clean bullish engulfing candle on the 15-minute, and we entered long at 1.2738. Stop loss at 1.2705, target at 1.2795. The trade hit target in 90 minutes, 52 pips on a 30 pip risk. Textbook setup, textbook execution. Now the loss. Because not every trade wins. EUR GBP broke the Asian high at 3:20 a.m. Price kept going up, fast. No retest came. We made the worst call, chased the breakout, broke our own rule, and got stopped out 28 pips later when price reversed hard back into the range. This is exactly why we wait for the retest. Without it, you're gambling. We ran this strategy on GBP or USD across the last 6 months. 100 trades, strict rules, 0 discretion, no skipped entries. Here are the honest numbers. Win rate 68%, profit factor 2.1, every dollar lost made $2.10 back. Net result 1,240 pips over the period. On a 1% risk per trade account, that's roughly a 24% return in 6 months. Let's recap. Mark the Asian range from 7 p.m. to 3 a.m. Eastern. Wait for the 3 a.m. breakout candle to close outside the range. Enter only on the retest. Risk 1, target 2. Skip red news days like CPI or NFP. Skip if the Asian range is under 25 pips. That's the entire strategy. If you got value, hit that like button and grab the Trade Guardian link in the description. And subscribe to the channel. That's how you'll know the moment we test the next strategy. See you in the next one.